Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is Dr. ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Dear students, let us say one situation where client will go to software engineer and tell that I want the software to be developed within 2 to 3 months. I am having very less time. Okay, I can't wait for long, like 1 year, 2 years. It is not possible for me. Can you develop the software for me within 2 to 3 months? Then at that time, software engineer will have an option to develop the software by selecting one model. The name of this model is RAD model. What is the full form of RAD? Rapid Application Development. So in the name itself, answer is there. Rapid application, fast development of the application. If the client does not have patience, if the client is in an emergency, that please develop the software in an urgency, I want the software to be developed in a short period, sir, then immediately software engineer can use this model to develop the software. Now let us see how this model works. Now the question is, sir, you are saying 2 to 3 months short period. Within 2 to 3 months only software can be developed. How the software can be developed, sir, in 2 to 3 months? Waterfall model will take a lot of time to develop the software. Even iterative waterfall model also will take a lot of time for the development of software. How RAD model will quickly reduce the time? Can you show some example? Can you show the working? Let us now discuss the working of this model, my dear students. Let me explain this. The RAD model or Rapid Application Development Model is a type of software development methodology that emphasizes quick and iterative release cycles, primarily focusing on delivering working software in shorter timelines. I told you, if the client is in urgency, if the client is in urgency of taking the delivery of the software as early as possible within a short period of time, then the RAD model can be preferred by the company. Okay, next point. A software project can be implemented using this model if the project can be broken down into a small modules, where each module can be assigned independently to separate teams. Now here, how the RAD model will make the work faster and how the RAD model can be used to develop the work in less time. The thing is, here the division of work concept comes into existence here. What is division of work concept? I will explain in the next slide in the diagram, that how we are going to divide that project into small modules here. How? Let me explain in the next slide. Next, these modules can finally be combined to form the final product. Okay, what is the significance of RAD model? Time period, that is 60 to 90 days. The software can be developed within a period of 2 to 3 months only. Okay, if we are developing the software in 1 year, means it is not a RAD model, you are using some other model. If you are developing the model within 2 to 3 months, means you are following the concept of Rapid Application Development Model. Now, how it is possible to complete the work in less time? How it is possible to complete the software project in less time? How software engineer will use the methodology? How this RAD model will work? Let me explain you with this diagram now. Okay. So dear students, you can see here, first of all, gathering of requirements, elicit requirements, common step, modularize requirements. Now what is the meaning of modularize? Dividing the requirements. Software engineer will divide the requirements into different teams. So here only one team will not do the work in RAD model. RAD model, what it will do, it is a smart model. It will divide the work into different teams. Generally in waterfall model or in iterative waterfall model, 1 or 2 teams only will focus on the development. Because of this, the progress is quite slow. It will take a lot of time. But here there is a smart work that comes into play. So here this RAD model, what it will do, instead of using a single team, it will divide the work into different teams. Sir, how many teams are here in this diagram? Team 1, team 2 and team N is there. How many teams? Depending on the complexity of the project. Depending on the complexity of the project, the work is divided into different teams. Each team will concentrate on developing one module. What is module 1? It is one small part of a project. So team 1 will concentrate on developing module 1. Team 2 will concentrate on developing module 2. Team N will concentrate on developing module N. So let us say, if all these modules are completed, all these modules are developed simultaneously. So if some work has been done simultaneously or concurrently, then automatically we can save a lot of time. Is it right? So Once the work is completed, all these modules are integrated here. You can see integrated means combined. Once the integration is over, finally the final product will be delivered to the client. Is it right? Now here we can see, sir, what are the steps that will happen in every module? Means same phase: analyze, design, code, and test. These are the common steps that are a part of software development lifecycle. Those steps will remain the same. The unique thing that you can see in rapid application development model is how it will make the work to complete fast. The reason is it will make the work to complete fast by using one procedure, smart procedure. What is that smart procedure? Instead of relying only on one team, it will distribute the work to multiple teams in the form of modules, individual modules. Once the individual modules are developed concurrently, simultaneously, all these modules are integrated and the final software will be delivered to client. So in this way, the work which will take to complete in 1 year, it can be completed in 3 months, 25% of the time. This is what the time period of RAD model is: 60 to 90 days, 2 to 3 months. So my dear students, here the question: if the client is not having if the client is not having patience, if the client is an urgency, if client want to develop the software, if client want to take the delivery of the software in a very short period like 2 to 3 months, which model should be used? Means rapid application development model will be recommended. Okay, RAD model will be preferred. So I hope the concept of RAD model is cleared. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.